Hello and welcome to another update video about Kaspa. Yeah, Kaspa, it's time to update Kaspa. A lot of people asked me for an update. Kaspa recently broke below a micro support level. However, that doesn't mean we have to be all bearish. It just means we have to reinterpret the chart a little bit. Certainly means that it shows a little bit of weakness, but it might just mean that we have to reconsider here this diagonal pattern that we are tracking. As you might remember, I'm tracking here an ABC structure and the C wave to the upside, which started at this B wave low in May 23. This is like an ending diagonal in which we have, very clearly an ABC structure in wave 1 of C. We have a wave 2 pullback. We have an ABC structure in wave 3 of C. We have a wave 4 that might have completed here recently. We had a support zone at the time here. But I was never happy with the microstructure. You may remember that. But then the idea was, okay, maybe in this pullback here we could get one more high. Now it definitely broke below micro support there. However, that doesn't mean we have to get all bearish here. No, it means we just have to be, we have to look at the reinterpretation of the chart, and we could still get one more high here in wave 5 of C. And the reinterpretation suggests that this is an ABC structure in wave 5, which makes sense because all the other waves in this move up can be considered, basically ABC structures. And then that means that we can give it a chance, one more chance to the upside, in wave C of 5 of C. However, there is currently no evidence that wave B bottomed. So let's zoom in a little bit. There are two ways how we could, there are actually two ways how Kaspa could still achieve one more high. That is, first of all, in the scenario in which wave 4 of C bottomed here on the 23rd of January. And then this move up was an A wave. It's only a 3-wave move, not 5. One more high would have been missing for a clear 5 waves. So I consider it an A wave, absolutely fine. A waves can be 3-wave movements or 5-wave movements. Then this here could be the B wave pullback. And to be honest, it might have bottomed already. It doesn't need to reach this support region. This support region is in case the wave 4 needs to reset. So basically what it means is, at the moment, it's possible that here on Tuesday a low formed and that we're now moving up in wave C of 5. Okay, and I give you a target in a minute. But if we see any further downside, then these Fibonacci levels become relevant, and especially with a break below the 23rd of January low, which is at 9.3 cents, it's possible that the wave 4 simply resets. Okay, so the yellow count, a larger ABC structure, would then become relevant. But because wave B did overshoot, we don't necessarily need to go below that low from the 23rd of January. It would simply be a possibility to reset wave 4. Now, where could that wave 5 land? So simply looking at the ABC structure here, we can take the length of the A wave, we go to the low of the B wave, and the next upside target range is basically between 24 cents and 38 cents, okay? 24 is the 100% extension level, and the 1.618 extension is at 38 cents, and we should consider this target range as relevant. Now, in addition to that, the bigger picture, the larger time frame target for this ABC structure points towards 38 cents. I have to say, though, that the beginning is quite unreliable due to the startup candle. Normally, you cannot really believe these startup candles and everything, so not entirely sure how relevant the 38 cent level really is, but it should give you some very clear support levels to watch, and the next upside levels start at 24 cents. That's my update about Kaspa. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.